Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to deposit and withdraw funds on the MEXC Exchange app in a simple and beginner-friendly way. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and open the app. Then from the home page, you want to tap Deposit. Then choose On-Chain Deposit. From here, you want to select the coin you want to deposit like USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. For today, let's go ahead and choose Bitcoin. After that, you want to choose the network carefully. Now, this step is very important. The network you choose on the MEXC must match the network you're sending from. And once selected, MEXC will give you a wallet address and a QR code just like what you're seeing on the screen. All you have to do is just copy the address or scan the QR code from your external wallet or another exchange and send the funds and wait. Deposits usually take a few seconds, up to about 10 minutes, depending on the network. Now, to withdraw, all you need to do is go to the wallets, which is located on the homepage. So go ahead and click wallets. Then from here, tap withdraw and choose the coin you want to withdraw, for example, USDT, and then select the on-chain withdrawal and then enter the receiving wallet address, select the correct network, enter the amount, and confirm. You will need to complete the security verification, then finally submit the withdrawal. And that's it. That's how you can easily deposit and withdraw funds on the MEXC. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.